Yo, what's up guys? This is your Daddy Kabuling with Daddy Kabintage again guys. Ayan nga guys, nasundo na tayo ng ating kaibigan na naman na sobrang bait na si Abdul Gani.
Oh, no. Halo, Jack.
Yan!
Halo, Sadik.
Yan! Ang Sadik is kaibigan guys. Yan! Okay. Ayan nga guys. Tumawag na si Darling, nagugutom na daw siya guys. Inisip ko guys, need ko magluto agad pero may manok na dun guys. So, bibili na lang ako ng recados para sa ating lulutuin. Ginataang pininyahang manok guys! Yan! So ngayon guys, uwi muna kami guys na Abdul Gani. Dadrop muna ako. Then mamamalengke, diretso uwi. Then luto-luto na guys. So ano pa inaantay natin guys? Let's go!
Few inches later.
At ayan na nga guys, nakauwi na tayo at nakabili na rin tayo ng carrots, potato, bell pepper, pineapple tidbits, at ang magigata powder guys. Yan. At ready na tayo magluto guys. Here's your chef boy negro again guys. So ano pa inaantay natin guys? Tara na, lutuin na natin. Let's go! At bago tayo magsimula guys, is i-marinate muna natin ang ating sliced chicken gamit ang pineapple juice. Yan! Lagay nyo lahat guys para manamis-namis ang ating chicken. Then we will just mix it and himas it guys. Yan! Himasin nyo guys habang may oras pa. Yan. Gago! And now guys, kinuha ko lang si Caldero de Campanillo at papainitin natin gamit ang fire alarm. Yan. And when our Caldero de Campanillo is hot already, we can now put the mantika of anti-soping. Yan. At papainitin lang natin guys. Yan. When the oil is hot already, we can now put the garlic from the Titanic. Then we will just saute it guys like that. And it will be turned brown like this. Wow. Then we can now throw in the onion for execution. Yan. Then we will just saute it guys again. Yan. And the onion is soft already. We can now put the paminta of our dear Auntie Cura. Then we will just saute it guys. Yan. After sauteing for 1 minute, it is the time to put the sliced chicken. Joy of McDonald's and Jollibee. Yo, put it all guys. Then we will just saute it again guys for another 1 minute in high fire alarm. Yan. After sauteing for 1 minute, we can now add the patis of Pontius Pilate to add more taste to our chicken guys. Then we will just saute it guys, and it will be turned out like this. Yo! We can now put the pineapple juice na pinagbabaran natin kanina ng ating chicken joy guys, followed by our diluted powdered gata from Okinawa, Japan. Yan guys. Then we will just mix it guys. And let it boil. Guys, yan. When it's boiling guys, we can now put the chicken or cubes of the rubric cubes. Yan. Followed by our magic sarap of kulisap. Yan. Then we will just mix it guys. And we will cover it and let it simmer for 30 minutes, guys. Yum.
Few moments later.
After 30 minutes, guys, we will check. Wow. Nag-overflow pa, guys. Sa sobrang init. Yum. And now, guys, we can now put the carrots and potatoes of Nostradamus. Yum. Then we will just mix it, guys. Then we will put also the bell pepper of Mr. Schumacher. Yum. Then let it boil again, guys, for another 5 to 10 minutes until our carrots and potatoes of Nostradamus is soft already, guys. Yum.
Few moments later.
After 10 minutes, guys, we will now check. Wow. Ang sarap, magimas, delicious, guys. Aroma pa lang, sarap na, guys. Yan. We can now put the pineapple tidbits, guys. Yan. Then we will just mix it, guys. And it is now ready to serve to your tropang agraraman and nagbibising. Yan. Nagimas, ginataang pininyahang manok para sa kaibigan mong ang lakas ng katok. Iyan.